Hi guys, welcome once again to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a very tasty and delicious vanilla cream caramel mocktail recipe. Now, in my hurricane glass that is half filled with ice, I'm going to go in with about 1 ounce of cream caramel syrup. Please feel free to use between 0.5 ounce to 1 ounce, depending on how sweet of a tooth you have. Next, I'm going to top up with my cream soda, gently allowing the bubbles settle and ensuring that I have an almost filled glass. So once you pour your drink, you find out that it begins to bubble. So you have to pour gently, making sure that your glass doesn't overflow and that the bubble settles down gently. Keep doing that till you have an almost filled glass. I'm going to go in with a bar spoon and give it a quick stir to make sure that my syrup and my cream soda is well mixed together. Next, I'm going to go in with a dash of whipping cream. This is very important in this drink recipe. If you do not have whipping cream, you can use condensed milk, but that's going to alter the taste a bit. This recipe, actually, I recommend you to use whipping cream. Next, I'm going to go on and top up with some whipping cream spray some whipping cream on it, and then I'll garnish with my wafer curls and fresh strawberry. Next, I'm going to go in with some liquid chocolate. Just put a drizzle of liquid chocolate at the top. It enhances the taste. It enhances also the look. Once you're done with that, your drink is ready and you're set to dig in. Please try out this recipe because I'm very sure that you're going to enjoy it. Drop us a comment and let us get a feedback. Thanks guys for watching. Please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye guys, till you see you again in the next one. Bye.